Welcome to the best pick. The best Weber Spirit stainless steel grates is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your grilling setup, transforming your cooking experience from ordinary to extraordinary with superior heat distribution and remarkable durability, ensuring that every sear is perfect and every meal is a masterpiece, all while promising a long-lasting performance that stands up to the rigors of frequent use and diverse culinary adventures. Number 5. Weber Spirit 300 Series Cast Iron Grill Grates. Elevate your grilling experience with these heavy-duty cast iron grates. They are designed for superior heat retention and durability, ensuring perfect searing every time. These grates are precisely engineered to fit a wide range of Weber Spirit and Genesis models. Enjoy a seamless replacement for your old or worn-out grill parts. Crafted from solid cast iron, these grates are built to withstand high heat and frequent use. They resist chipping and rusting, making them ideal for year-round grilling. Achieve professional-level results with even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface. Lock in juices and create those desirable sear marks for delicious meals. With dimensions of 17.5 by 11.9 inches per grate, installation is a breeze. They are designed to be a direct replacement, getting you back to grilling in no time. These grates are compatible with Spirit 300 series, Spirit 2 300 series, and various Genesis models. They are also a great upgrade for GS4 cooking systems. What we like. These grates are crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, offering exceptional heat retention and searing capabilities. If you're looking to achieve those perfect grill marks and enjoy a professional-level cooking experience with consistent temperatures, these are the ones for you. They are ideal for those who prioritize intense heat and a fantastic sear on their meats. What people say. These fit perfectly, no spaces or gaps anywhere, heavy and well made. Perfect replacement to rebuild the Weber Rebel 2. Nice flat top edges for easier cleaning. They take longer to heat up than the original steel grills, however retain heat much better and you get the nice grill marks on your meat. Well worth it. Number 4. Htanch SG52315 Stainless Steel Cooking Grates, 2-pack. Revitalize your grilling experience with these premium stainless steel cooking grates. They offer a durable and reliable surface for all your culinary creations. Designed to perfectly fit a range of Weber Genesis Silver A and Spirit models, ensuring a seamless replacement. They are also compatible with specific Kenmore grill models. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these grates are built to last. They resist rust and corrosion, providing excellent heat distribution for even cooking. Each grate measures 15 by 11.14 inches, providing a total cooking area of 15 by 22.12 inches. This ample space allows you to cook for family and friends with ease. To guarantee the best fit, please double-check the dimensions of your existing grill grates before placing your order. This ensures a perfect match for your grill. Replacing your old, worn-out grates is simple and straightforward. Enjoy enhanced grilling performance and delicious results with these high-quality replacements. What we like. Constructed from stainless steel, these grates are built for longevity and are remarkably easy to clean after each use. If you value a low-maintenance grilling solution that still performs well, consider these. They are perfect for everyday grilling and for those who want to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying their food. What people say. They are very heavy-duty, surprisingly heavier than the description leads you to believe. They are also way easier to clean than the standard style grates. And they make much nicer grill marks. These cooking grills are very solid and made of stainless steel. Much more solid than the originals that came with the grill when new. They fit as described, they don't rust, they are easy to clean. Number 3. SG637 2-pack Stainless Steel Cooking Grates for Weber Spirit 200 Series. Give your Weber Spirit 200 Series grill a new lease on life with these durable stainless steel cooking grates. They are designed to perfectly fit your grill, ensuring a great cooking experience. These grates are specifically designed as a replacement for Weber part number 7637 and fit various Spirit 200 series models from 2013 to 2017 with front-mounted control panels. Please verify your model before ordering. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these grates offer superior durability and excellent heat retention for even cooking. They are built to withstand high temperatures and frequent use. Replacing your old, worn-out grill grates is simple with this set. Just remove the old ones and install these new ones to quickly get back to grilling your favorite meals. This package includes 2 cooking grates, each measuring 17.5 inches by 10.2 inches. You'll have ample cooking surface to prepare delicious food for family and friends. They are also compatible with several Kenmore and President's Choice models, as well as specific Weber models like 46010074 and 47100001. Always double-check your grill specifications. What we like. Designed specifically for Weber Spirit 200 series grills with front-mounted control panels, these stainless steel grates offer a precise fit. If you have a 2-burner Spirit model from 2013 to 2017 and are looking for a direct replacement that ensures optimal performance, this is your best bet. They are ideal for ensuring compatibility and a seamless grilling experience for this specific grill type. What people say. These are stainless steel, easier to clean and leave the grill marks I like. They are well built, heavy duty and fit my grill perfectly. They leave beautiful grill marks and are easy to clean. I just season them up by letting a coat of oil turn to carbon by heating them on the grill, much like seasoning a cast iron grate or skillet, which made them very stick resistant and easy release without tearing up the meat. Heavy duty, perfect fit. Better than the original cast iron grates. Cleanup is much easier and has nice grill marks on our steaks. Number 2. Hisencn 7639 Stainless Steel Grill Grates for Weber Spirit 300. Ensure a perfect fit for your Weber Spirit 300 and Spirit 2 300 series grills. These grates are designed to seamlessly replace your old ones. Crafted from heavy-duty, solid stainless steel rods, these grates offer superior durability and resistance to corrosion and heat. With dimensions of 17.3 by 11.8 inches each, they provide ample space for all your grilling needs. They also fit select Genesis and Weber Smokefire models. Enjoy a non-stick surface that makes cleaning a breeze. Simply wipe away residue after use for a hassle-free experience. These grates are built to last, outperforming enameled options. Their rounded edges ensure safety during handling and cleaning. Your purchase includes 2 high-quality stainless steel grill grates. Please verify the size and model of your original parts before buying. What we like. Featuring thick, 7mm solid stainless steel rods, these grates are non-magnetic, corrosion-resistant, and built to last. If you grill in various weather conditions or are concerned about rust and degradation, these offer superior durability. They are an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality, long-lasting upgrade for their Weber grill. What people say. These are solid stainless rods, heavy, well-made, and ridiculously easy to clean. The rods are rounded off to prevent sharp edges. They do indeed seem like nice stainless steel, and they are decently heavy for the size. The welds seem okay. They are welded parallel and evenly spaced, the gaps in BW rods are even for the whole length and seem narrow enough to keep things like hot dogs or shrimp from falling through. Fit my Weber E310 grill perfectly. They're sturdy. Well made it seems. Nearly as heavy as the original iron grates that rusted through. Number 1. Hongso SUS 304 Stainless Steel Grill Grates for Weber. Elevate your grilling experience with these premium stainless steel grates. Crafted from durable SUS 304 stainless steel, they are built to last. Designed to perfectly fit a wide range of Weber Genesis and Spirit gas grill models. Ensure a seamless replacement for your old grates. Constructed with high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel, these grates offer exceptional resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity. These grates are designed for a straightforward installation, allowing you to get back to grilling in no time. Enjoy even heat distribution and superior searing capabilities. They are engineered to enhance your cooking performance and deliver delicious results. Each grate measures 1714 by 1134, with a combined dimension of 1714 by 2312. They are compatible with original part numbers like Weber 7527 and 65619. What we like. Made from high-grade SUS 304 stainless steel, these grates provide excellent durability and resistance to the elements. If you need a versatile replacement that fits a broad range of Spirit and Genesis models and are looking for a reliable, long-term solution, these are a strong contender. They are perfect for users who appreciate the quality and longevity of premium stainless steel. What people say. These popped right in, perfect fit. Made of what seems to be good stainless as well. First one has been 2 seasons and they still look and work great, so I bought them for my other house when I needed to replace the Weber ones that came with the barbecue. The stainless really works better than the porcelain ones. Fits perfectly and are not magnetic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.